Hey y'all, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today's video is all about Glow Mode. Thank you so much Glow Mode for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright y'all, before we get started, make sure you do one thing, hit that subscribe button because I got a lot of good stuff coming and I don't want you guys to miss out. So today's video is all about the convertible hiking cargo pants, and Glow Mode was kind enough to send me over a pair. So let's get into the details on these pants. And I'm gonna slide over because I'm gonna put in a video as well. So these are the Glow Mode convertible hike cargo pants. The pants legs are removable, so as you can see, you can shorten them to capri length or to shorts. The side pockets are for carrying your belongings. There's a left pocket that can be packed and detached, and the pockets are equipped with tabs which can be used as clip-ons to hang accessories. There's an adjustable waistband, there's drawstring at the leg openings at the bottom, and they're very durable, woven, waterproof fabric. So there will be a link down below if you want to check out these pants, shorts, capri pants. In the description box down below, there'll be a link. So definitely trying out these pants, you guys, was interesting. I was like, wow, I've never tried any pants like this before, but I can definitely see how they would be convenient. If you like to go hiking or you like to be outdoors, especially in like the springtime, which spring is coming up, it can be very, very cool in the morning, but once the sun comes up, it can get really, really warm, and you don't want to necessarily dress in layers because you have to take all those clothes off and pack them away and figure out where to put them. But it's nice to be able to just, you know, unzip the pants leg and turn it into shorts, and all you have to do is store the pants leg instead of, you know, a whole layer of clothing. So I think it's really, really convenient. I also love the little pouch that you can roll the bottom of the pants up into and zip it closed and literally just attach it to your hip. So even more convenient than like putting it in your book bag or trying to fit it somewhere else. You literally can just strap it onto your waist and do it hands-free. It's really, really easy, and you don't have to like find somewhere to stop and do it. You can easily just unzip, roll it up, put it in the little, you know, hang bag. And yeah, I just think it's genius. It's really fun, and it's something that I would love to try. I don't even hike. I have started working out, but it's something that I would love to try, like just in practice to see how it works, because here in the house it worked out great. Let's move on to the next piece. So the next piece is this Glow Mode fleece sweatshirt. I love that it has the little pocket on the side. It says Glow Mode in the back. It is cropped and it is brown. Brown is literally one of my favorite colors to wear. So a lot of the pieces in this haul are brown because I love it. Actually, before we get into the sweatshirt, I did want to make a few more comments about the Nano clip bag to let you guys know how you can actually add it to your order for free. So to claim your free On the Glow Nano clip on bag, which is the little small bag that goes with the pants, it's a free gift. So what you have to do is, step 1, you add Glow Mode convertible hike pants to your order. Step 2, once you proceed to check out, click Glow Mode on the Glow Nano clip on bag from the gifts rewarded area. So I guess there's an area on the site that says gifts rewarded. You click there, and you pick the Glow Mode on the Glow Nano clip bag. The price of the bag will automatically become $0. Please note, you can only redeem 1 free bag per order. So to talk about the Glow Mode Glow Logo Fleece Crop Sweatshirt. It's a crop length, it flatters the figure, it pairs perfectly with high waist bottoms. There's a side pocket that's small for cards, lipstick, headphones, any other small items. It has a relaxed silhouette, comfortable and casual, and it's reflective on the back. It's stylish and keeps you visible and safe at night. The cozy fabric is soft, skin-like feel, fleece on the inside for enhanced comfort. So definitely recommend the sweatshirt, the hiking pants, and the On The Glow Nano bag. The Nano bag is great too, not even just to, you know, store the bottom parts of the pants, but you can use it for iPads, Apple Watch, you know, iPads, AirPods, you know, headphones, Apple Watch, Fitbit, you know, change, wallet, whatever you may have with you that you just want to be hands-free while you work it out. So these are really cute brown lined leggings. I absolutely love these. I did end up getting these in a size medium. The fit is perfect. I love how they look and fit. I ended up getting two sports bras to go with them. One is kind of like the opposite look, so it has more brown than black. And then the other one is the opposite, which has more black than brown. So I love all of these pieces together, and I love the fact that they also match the sweatshirt. So I've already been mixing and matching these pieces. They're so comfortable to wear. They look great. The color is perfect. The brown is like this really warm chocolatey brown, and it goes so perfectly with black. I got some new black Uggs for Christmas, and the whole outfit just looks amazing. And then I have this really nice brown overcoat. It's a winter coat. It just looks great. Like, the layering for these is so nice. The fit, the comfort, they're warm. I just love it. So I've literally been living in these. I've had these for about 3 weeks now, and I have been living in these. Yes, that looks like it's everything, you guys. Thank you so much, GLOWMODE, for sending over these pieces. Truly appreciate it. Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year, and I am wishing you nothing but the best in 2023. See you all in the new year. Bye.